Now we need to see everything in action. For that, let me first set the startup project as email here. And we will change the database name here to Mango Email API. We need to add the migrations, so let me do that. We need to change the default project. It will give us an error here. And the build is failing. Let me actually build. We have an error here, and I just noticed that this is not the method that we are using. So let me cut everything from the checkout and paste it here. We will remove the checkout. We are not using that. Perfect. Let me build and make sure everything is working. Yes, it is. Let's add the migration. Perfect. Let me update the database here. And everything is in place. Now before we run the application, we need to configure the startup projects. It will be multiple project, and we will be adding the email as well. With that in place, let me run the project. Let me switch back and add a debugging point right here. So that way we'll know our handler was called. Let's try to create a new order. I have given it the name of grand finale. Let's make sure it goes through. Perfect, we hit our endpoint. Let's examine the obj message, and we have all of the properties. So with this, let's hit continue, and it should create an entry inside our database. Let's switch back, and we should have a new database here, which will be email API. And perfect. You can see we have our email logger. So now you have seen how we can have multiple subscribers in a single topic.